Hello everyone, my name is Namfundo Zulu and I am at the Money Mastery Workshop, and the reason I came today is because I want to understand my money personality, and also I want to change my money story. Instead of saying I can't do this, I can't do that, I want to say I want this and I want that. So my key takeaways, I actually went into this workshop thinking that I would understand my money personality through personality test around money, but it was definitely different, and it was a great surprise to that. It definitely has met my intention of what I wanted to learn about through this workshop. I have learned that I am deserving and worthy of abundance and prosperity. There is enough. I can always make more money, and I need my money to be happy. So for me, it's just been a really great experience, whether there was, even throughout the workshop when I did get triggered, but it's great that it happened because now I understand and I'm changing my money story through that trigger, and I'm working on that wound that came up for me.
Did you love Nomfundo's story? I'm always inspired when I hear from the perspective of a participant of one of my seminars, really the impact the work has had. Money is something that affects every area of our life. And like the famous quote goes, money is not important. It's just right up there with oxygen. When we understand that we're having a relationship, not just with people, but with everything in our life, including inanimate things like money, we start to become conscious. We start to treat it with the respect it deserves. We start to acknowledge our own limitations and say, hey, nobody taught me about how you work, how you grow, how you can serve me. We recognize our own limitations, much like a child knows it can't read and write, and therefore goes to school and learns every day. Can you resonate with feeling undeserving of your money? You're always telling yourself, I can't have this, I can't have that, I can't do this, I can't do that. And then maybe secretly yearning inside, why does everyone else get to do this, and when will it be my turn? The feelings of constraint and deprival, of not allowing yourself to be happy and joyous with your hard-earned money, maybe perhaps feeling inadequate or jealous, or just really sad that you can't have what you think everyone else is having. And then realizing that underneath all of our money stories is usually a pain, a wound, a hurt around money. Because money was used as a weapon in some of our lives, used to control or manipulate, to deprive, to bring sadness, lack, and limitation. And we carry that, whether it makes logical sense or not. There's a part of your brain that holds that memory, and it's very real for you at some level. So if you believe that your money relationship can be bettered, perhaps you're aware there's an emotion that needs healing. You need a new money mindset, and you just want the plan of action. I've had clients come back to me after these workshops saying, Simone, I've closed my credit cards off, I'm putting more money into my bond, and I've started a rainy day savings fund. These are some of the miracles I watch happening at practical steps clients have done, which they haven't been able to do for years, just from the powerful work we do at this one-day seminar. So, 4 spots, 29 June 2024, Johannesburg, South Africa, is the next Money Mastery Seminar. Email us at info@on-purpose.co.za to book your spot. Remember, this is the Money Mastery Workshop you've been looking for. You deserve to master your money. Namaste.